মহাঘোরাওই যোগিনী কোটি পরিবৃতাওই বজ্রকাল্যই ওম হ্রিং ভগবতী দুর্গা দুব্বই নমঃ। ইয়ে করে দে।
So guys, it's almost the end. Today is Dashami, and right now we'll be doing a last bit of rituals, and after that we'll be proceeding towards Dashami Ghat. And this is how the scene looks like out here. So before we end this video series, I must reiterate the fact that for us, Durga Puja is not just a religious festival, but it is the biggest festival for all the Bengalis throughout the globe. It is an emotion which drives us to come home at least once a year. It is a social gathering where we get to meet our extended families, friends, colleagues, and share lots of beautiful moments with them. This year we were working from home, and I had the best opportunity to see Durga Puja right from the very start. The 5 days of Durga Puja almost goes with a blink of an eye. We have to live in the moment to enjoy every bit of this festival. Overall, our Durga Puja experience was great. This is the 11th year we celebrated Durga Puja, and it seems like the feeling keeps on improving every year. We enjoyed a lot with loads of dhak drum beats, donuchi nach, prayer and feasting. Today being Dashami, it becomes really emotional for all of us, as we have to bid a tearful farewell to Ma Durga and her children as they return to their heavenly home after 5 long days of celebration and sharing happiness. Within the next few days, our pandal would be dismantled, only to be reborn in a new shape and a new glamour in the following year. I would like to thank my YouTube community for watching the videos from all over the world and sharing it with your friends and family. I feel lucky to share my home festival with you. I hope you liked it as much as I liked making it. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.